Welcome to TTQ Vietnam Machines. Today, we are introducing our 16-head automatic cashew shelling line. The system is designed to achieve a capacity of up to 700 kilograms of raw cashew nuts per hour, operating stably on a 3-phase, 380-volt power supply. The shelling rate reaches up to 90%, while the broken kernel rate is kept low, at only 3 to 6%, helping maximize product value. The line features a robust design, suitable for continuous production, and reducing labor costs. An efficient solution for modern cashew processing factories.